When a simulation has run, any simulation objects containing results will be displayed with a red marker on the bottom right corner. To access the results from those objects, you need to use data retrieving script commands specifying the object name and the result you want to collect from it. As you can see in the result view, there are two types of data available in an object, such as the DFT monitor T in this example: results and raw data. While results contains datasets formed by related data, raw data contains individual data elements in matrix form. To access the matrices under raw data, use getData with the names of the object and the data as arguments. Similarly, to access the datasets under results, use getresult with the names of the object and dataset as arguments. When you have many related data elements to retrieve, it might be more convenient to get a complete data set with getresult rather than getting individual data elements with getData. For example, if you want to get the X and Y positions as well as EX, EY, and EZ from this monitor, you can use the getData command for each of them. Alternatively, you can get the whole dataset E containing all of the position and E field data using getresult, and then get the data within the dataset using the dot operator. In comparison to the raw data, datasets have the advantage that they can be opened in the visualizer to generate plots with proper axes. In addition to the getData and getresult commands, there are some commands that are dedicated to retrieving specific data from a monitor. getElectric and getMagnetic, respectively, return the intensity of the electric and magnetic fields from the monitor. Transmission returns the fraction of power transmitted through the monitor with respect to the source power. It should be noted that the sign of the transmission depends on the propagation direction. The transmission is positive when the power is flowing through the monitor in the positive direction, that is, in the plus X plus Y or plus Z direction. So for a plane wave propagating backward in the negative direction, you will get a negative transmission. The commands for retrieving data from parameter sweep, optimization, yield analysis, and S-parameter sweep objects are different from getData and getresult. To get the data from these objects, use the getSweepData and getSweepResult for the dataset. To get all of the names of available raw data from an object, use a question mark before getSweepData with the object name as an argument. Then you can use getSweepData with the object and data names to get the desired data. In this case, the reflection and thickness data from the thickness_sweep object. Similar to getresult, you might find it more convenient to get datasets using getSweepResult instead of getting individual data elements with getSweepData. To get the same data as above, you can get the dataset R using getSweepResult and then use the dot operator to select the reflection data and the thickness data.